Hi to all the moms today. I'm sure you're all doing great. I had a happy week and I know that even you did. This vlog, we're going to talk about the factors that do not allow us to have a happy term. We are women and we are very emotional. We just want, expect, and want it to happen. But few times the expectations that we have are too much that cannot be realistic, and that's when we turn off. So the first factor that we're going to deal with is expectation versus reality. Are you expecting too much from anything? For example, are you expecting your partner to be with you all the time? The expectation is really good. But are you turning your expectation into want and say, I want my partner right next to me, come what may? Then that is foolishness. Because your partner has his own space, has his own things to do, has his own life. And we need to respect it. Secondly, you also need to tell your partner what you feel. Unless and until we women speak, our partners will not get to understand what we want. And we women think that they should understand what we want even without opening our mouths. And that is not going to happen. So start speaking to your partner. Start telling your partner, this is what I want. And start finding solutions. And come to reality with it. Please do not have issues which affect your term. And please do not have expectations that are way too high. We need to live in reality. The second factor, the cultural beliefs that we have. For example, say our elders say don't eat too much, it isn't good, your baby will get affected, or your baby might grow too much. But in reality, that isn't true. You need to take your gynae expert into consideration. You need to understand that we have come to a generation where the expertise dominates belief. We need to take the expertise into consideration first. Find out from your doctor if you have a doubt. But do not be annoyed at small little things. At the end, even they are humans. Our elderly, they want to see you have a happy baby. And so they tend to tell a little. But let us not get upset about it. Instead, learn how to deal and how to convince them and tell them that mom, dad, or aunt, uncle, whoever it is, that this is not the way it is. We have grown and it is a different phase altogether. And thirdly, kindly reduce stress. Do not stress yourself too much. If you feel that you're all alone, you have no one to talk to, learn how to be productive. Learn how to do things that could help you to get busy. Like for example, if you know how to knit, start knitting sweaters for your baby. If you love writing, start writing blogs. Start writing each and every experience that you have. Start talking to the baby. Put your hand over the baby bump and roll over and start talking to the fetus inside. Your baby will connect to you. He or she will know who you are ever since it had been placed in your womb. And the day it has been there. Sing to your baby, tell stories to your baby. They would love it. and trust me, they will grow up to be bold and strong citizens tomorrow. So these are the few things I think that we need to follow. Have a happy and a safe term. Enjoy as much as you can, and do not crib over small things, because we need to also understand that people around us need their space. And let us not expect too much and want too much. If you like this video, do share, do forward it to friends, do subscribe, and do comment. See you until next time. Bye bye.